Hello kids, welcome to class. Today we'll be talking about the human reproductive system. Human reproductive system is different in male and the female. First of all, we will explore about the male reproductive system and later on we will talk about the female reproductive system. The male reproductive system in case of human beings. In case of the human beings, the male reproductive system is located in the pelvic region and it consists of a pair of testes, two sperm ducts and a penis. Now, these testes are located outside the abdominal cavity in a sac-like structure called a scrotum. Why they are located outside the abdominal cavity? So that it helps in reducing the temperature which is required for the process of spermatogenesis, that is the formation of sperm. What is sperm? Sperm is the male gamete. Each sperm is having the usual cell component. It has a head, middle piece and a tail. The interesting fact about the sperm is it is the only cell which has flagella in case of the human beings. Now let's move further and talk about these reproductive organs in detail. First of all, let's talk about the testes. Testes are made up of numerous coiled tubules, that is termed as seminiferous tubules, where sperms are made. Now, when a boy reaches puberty, pituitary gland stimulates the testes to produce the male sex organ, that is the testosterone. So in fact, we can say the testes are also endocrine glands as they produce the male sex hormone testosterone. Now let's move further and talk about the vasa deferens or spermy duct. A pair of vasa deferens is coming out from each testes and they joins the penis. The work of this narrow tube is to carry the sperms from the site of synthesis, that is the testes, to the penis, and during this they are mixed with several fluids to give rise to semen. The penis is the muscular organ through which the sperms are transferred into the vagina of the female body. Urethra is a common opening for the transfer of sperm and urine out of the body. So in this video we have learnt about the male reproductive system which is located in the pelvic region. We have explored about the testes, why they are located outside the abdominal cavity in scrotal sacs to reduce the temperature which is required for the process of spermatogenesis. We have learnt about the function of the penis and spermy duct. Now let us move forward and talk about the female reproductive system. In case of the human beings, the female reproductive system is located in the abdominal region. It consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviduct and a uterus. Let's talk about them in detail. First of all, let's talk about a pair of ovaries. When a girl is born, it has thousands of immature eggs, and when it reaches puberty, one of the ovary produces the mature egg every month. That is the menstrual cycle. Ovary also produces some female sex hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. So, the ovary contains the ovarian follicles which give rise to ova. The fusion of the male and the female gamete occurs in these oviduct. So, oviduct that is coming out from each ovary and is the site of fertilization. That is the fusion of male gamete sperm with female gamete ova. Fallopian tube is also the other name of the oviduct. Fallopian tube is then connected to the uterus. What is uterus? Uterus is an inverted pear-shaped organ and it can be extendable. Now, after fertilization, the full development of the baby occurs in the uterus. Implantation of the embryo occurs in the uterus and the uterine wall is developed, thickened in order to do that. The uterus is then connected to vagina with the help of cervix. Vagina is also termed as the birth canal because the baby is delivered through this vagina. Now let's summarize what we have seen in this session so far. We have learnt about the ovaries where ova is produced every month. Then we have learnt about the fallopian tubes or oviduct which are the site of fertilization, and vagina which is the birth canal and it also receives the sperm during intercourse. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching it and stay tuned.